I'm setting up a workshop for a calm confidence intro. It'll be a free intro. So now it is deciding how many seats and what layout. I like this one, but the beach house is designed. I mean, you can put more in, people can technically sit on the floor, but that's for 3 people. Remember, it's about calm confidence. So busting through anxiety. These ones with the backdrop look really good as well, very calming. Zen, for example, that could be one. Add some more seats in there. The lounge, penthouse, change the circles on that one. Gourmet, perhaps. I'm thinking this could be a good one with the backdrop of the water outside. Or we could go traditional and have people technically feeling like they're sitting in a room. We've still got the nice backdrop there. Could definitely add some more seats here. A luxury living room. We could go to the beach and sit on the beach. Traditional, be in a room. So what do you think? The workshop is calm confidence. And yeah, which would you choose? Which would you choose? I like the ones that look more realistic than the cartoon ones, although they're brilliant. Let's say if you wanted that many people, that's the perfect layout. Your screen would be there. Or we could have a bit of the summer beach. So what would you go for the calm confidence workshop? Bit of beach action, magical fantasy, luxury backdrop, looking out into the ocean, sitting in the ocean and really seeing it there. What do you think? What do you think? Let me know, because I've got to set the page up now, choose the layout so I can get the invitation out to the e-newsletter list. This is coming up on Saturday. It's going to be free. The reason being, the creator of this space was asking if I'm using their platform, GoBrunch, for running my workshop. And I said, no, I use a webinar platform. I'm not really sure that this is going to be suitable for what I'm doing. But I thought, rather than just go, no, why don't I give it a go? So it's not the full workshop. We're going to do about 90 minutes. So an hour, let's say an hour for the workshop, or leave some discussion time, etc. So that's what I'm planning, and now just deciding which yummy layout. So let me know, put your comments in. If you can see the screen clearly enough, you can say sort of beach house, for example. What we got: beach house, sunrise studio place, zen multi-use studio, calm. See, that one's got the word calm in it as well. Calm meeting room, luxury living room, beach balcony, professional meeting room, comfy workspace. So yeah, drop your comments in. Let me know which one you would choose. Marilyn Devonish, the Neuro Success Coach and Rapid Transformation Specialist from transformationstm.com. And if you want further info, I'm just about to write the e-newsletter. So if you're watching this in real time, it hasn't landed as yet. So keep an eye on your email inbox for the invitation to join me for free for the Calm Confidence intro. If you're not on the e-newsletter list, you can get yourself signed up. Go to my main website, www.transformationstm.com. That's TRANCE, F for Freddy, so FORMATIONSDM.com. Once you land on the page, top left, you'll see a box where you can sign up for my e-newsletter list. And click the watch new panel as well. You can see forthcoming events, etc. But get yourself signed up for the list, so you definitely got the invite. Because I know people are saying, with regards to social media, I'm not sure if I share this one on social media, but with regards to social media generally, when I put stuff out about events, it can take 10 to 12 days for it to show up, by which time they've missed it. So rather than rely on the algorithms, get yourself signed up to the e-newsletter list. And I look forward to seeing you in our virtual space if you can make it this coming Saturday. Catch you later.